the fourth connection of the 7 dimensions of wellness, the heart, your emotional and physical core. We've talked about the 3 first dimensions, the skin, the gut, the brain, and how they connect like old friends in a wellness group chat. But honestly, we've only skimmed the surface. Skin deep, you might say. We'll circle back to each of them in more detail later, but today I want to bring you into a space that's close to my heart, literally. Welcome to the fourth dimension of wellness, the heart, your emotional and physical core. This isn't just about cardiovascular health, it's about the emotional engine of your being. Your heart doesn't only pump blood, it pumps energy, emotion, and connection through your whole system. You might not always feel it, but your emotional state leaves footprints on your physiology. Here's what the science says: people who practice gratitude daily show a 23% decrease in cortisol levels, the body's main stress or hormone. According to the Heart Math Institute, positive emotions like appreciation and love increase heart rate variability. That's a good thing. It's a key indicator of heart and nervous system health. A Harvard study showed that individuals with a positive emotional outlook had up to 35% lower risk of heart disease. That's a third, more than a third. And another study published in JAMA revealed optimistic people live 15% longer than their less optimistic peers. This is profound. Gratitude, joy, kindness, love, they're not just feel good stuff. They are biochemical game changers. Your heart literally shifts rhythms depending on whether you're living in stress or gratitude. And when you're in a state of coherence, where your heart, your brain, and your body are in sync, you're not just feeling good, you're healing. I'm Mireille Vega, Dr. Mimi, biochemist, founder of Vegan Biome, and creator of the One Human Skin philosophy and the Protect, Restore, Adapt mantra. I've spent years studying the fascinating connections between how we live, what we do, what we put on and in our bodies, and how all of it shapes our overall well-being. And today, I invite you to really listen to your heart, not just in a poetic sense, but in a biochemical, cellular, and emotional way. And what about the skin? You know, I couldn't go through a whole dimension without talking about your skin, right? Here's something that might surprise you. Meditation and gratitude don't just calm your brain, your heart, they show up on your face, literally. So let's break down the skin science. Chronic stress, cortisol, weakens your skin barrier, dehydrates your skin, and worsens conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. However, when you practice meditation or gratitude, your cortisol levels drop, and that means less inflammation. Studies have also shown that people who meditate regularly experience improved skin hydration, reduced flare ups, and even faster wound healing. There is also growing evidence that positive emotions influence the expression of genes involved in skin regeneration and repair. So when you breathe deep, when you write down what you're grateful for, or when you pause to love, you're not just doing it for your heart, you're doing it for your skin too, your glow and your peace of skin. Because in the fourth dimension of wellness, we don't just survive, we thrive with heart. So, what can you do today? Start a gratitude journal, maybe. Doesn't have to be big. And perhaps you don't even need a journal, really. I like to do it in bed in the morning sometimes. I remind myself of 10 reasons I have to be grateful. Breathe, slow, rhythmic, deep. Inhale, exhale. Do it now if you want. And put your hand on your heart and smile. It actually activates your vagus nerve. And finally, just tell someone you love them. That emotional connection nourishes both your hearts. Because when you nurture your heart, you nurture every other dimension too. So let's keep making wellness simple, no confusion, noble skin. Just real, beautifully connected human care for your one human skin and your one human heart. See you in the next video where we explore the fifth dimension, and trust me, it's one that will move you, literally. If you want to understand better your unique skin, answer one question and get more insights by following the link in the description. Until then, open heart, calm mind, radiant skin.